Hey there, tech fans. Colin here again with a brand new tech product overview. Today, I've got my hands on the new Hohem product, the iSteady XE kit. This is a 3-axis stabilized gimbal that's going to be utilizing your own smartphone in order to be recording awesome HD footage as high quality as your smartphone camera can get it. This thing will be making awesome stabilized footage with any device. It is super compatible, super versatile, incredibly easy to use, and I'm going to show you guys some of my favorite details about this particular item. So looking at it right now, I've got it attached to its additional tripod mount here on the bottom that comes with this kit. As well as that, you can see that I've already got all of my different axes unfolded and ready for launch. So all you have to do after this point is just hold down the power button on the side and you can see this thing come to life. Check it out. And just like that, it is in stabilization mode, ready to go. So that is super duper cool. You can see all of the different stabilization and mechanisms going on in there. Very, very cool already. Without even having the phone in it, it is perfectly well mounted and balanced. Incredibly cool. And as well as that, there's a joystick on the front here to help you control which way you want to point the phone. You can have it point left, right, up, down. You can pitch all of the cardinal directions. Incredibly handy. As well as that, this thing is also capable of getting up to 8 hours of battery life, which is a huge upgrade from the previous iteration and also incredibly competitive when it comes to other gimbals on the market like this, other 3-axis gimbals. So I'm going to go ahead and power this off and put my phone in here so you can see just how easy it is to get this connected in. All you have to do is power it off, take a phone device like this one right here, and then point your phone camera on the left side so that it's pointing out the left side of the device from your perspective. And then just like that, the phone goes in there, centered in the middle, and you can go ahead and turn on the device, and just like that, it automatically weighs, balances, and reconfigures to be the phone's weight and configured perfectly for the balancing that's required for any sort of device that you put in here. It's incredibly versatile and incredibly well designed. The balance on it is crazy, and you can get high quality footage instantaneously wherever you are. You can just pull this thing out of its case in your backpack, and you're getting high quality gimbal footage no matter where you are. This is a wonderful product from Hohem, and it comes in at the perfect price point to make it just an absolutely fantastic kit. As well as that, you can see the LED light up on top there. That is simply just magnetically attached. Incredibly a cool little addition right there. You can charge that using a micro USB on the side right there. Actually, it's a USB-C connection. And you can go ahead and charge that up, and on the back there's a power button with 2 different intensity modes, as well as changing it between a warm and a cool light. And that just magnetically sticks right on top of there, which is super awesome. So that's honestly all I've got for you guys today. This is a pretty concise product when it comes to different 3-axis gimbals. I'm a big fan of Hohem when it comes to manufacturing these things because their consistency and quality is apparent. The user experience is also so simple. All you have to do is, if you want to, you can download a simple little app that allows you to have full control of your camera using these 2 buttons right here. You could take pictures or start recording, or you could simply just use your onboard camera app and just hit the record button manually with your finger, and it is an entirely third-party product that doesn't require any integration with your smart device. So very cool. No internet required like some 3D gimbal or 3-axis gimbals require you to have with that forced app pairing. A very nice benefit of this is that you don't have to worry about that. So this is a fantastic product in my opinion. I think they knocked it out of the park. This is a great entry-level gimbal for anybody that doesn't want to invest in a full 3-axis gimbal with a built-in camera, because this allows you to use your already fantastic camera in your smartphone and just have the full convenient kit always on you just by having this super duper small stealth profile 3D gimbal. And then you also have your phone in your other pocket. It's a no-brainer in my opinion. It makes every one of your footage pieces just that much better and that much more stable. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you get as much use out of this as I do. I use this thing on a daily basis. It just gives you the best footage, and I know you guys are going to be able to capture some of those Christmas memories with this. So get your hands on this product, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.